He was trying to use the public inquiry to go after people that he saw opponents of policies on Alberta oil and gas.
Fighting Alberta's inquiry into the funding behind anti-oil campaigns in court. Ecojustice lawyers start their argument against the government in the first day of hearings. The Vancouver-based charity claims the province is pushing conspiracy theories, while the Premier maintains groups are receiving tens of millions in foreign-funded donations.
From the very first time that the Premier started to talk about enemies of Alberta, to this day, there's a fairly clear record of bias.
At a virtual court hearing Thursday, Ecojustice lawyers argue the inquiry was started for improper political purposes. It's not under the province's jurisdiction, and it's bias, saying Premier Jason Kenney and former Justice Minister Doug Schweitzer had fighting words when talking about the inquiry. But Kenney says Alberta is the one heading for cover.
Organizations that have taken millions, perhaps tens of millions of foreign dollars to kill the Northern Gateway Pipeline, kill Energy East, trying to kill Trans Mountain, Keystone XL, Line 5, Line 9. These are organizations that have been deliberately attacking the lifeblood of Alberta's economy.
Lawyers argue this issue was declared a public concern to ensure Alberta isn't hindered while competing for oil and gas projects, noting 4 statements presented were made during election campaigns. They also say it doesn't name or target anyone, and it's in full compliance with the Inquiries Act. The final report was due at the end of January, but was extended another 4 months. Its third delay. Commissioner Steve Allen stated he's going through documents spanning 20 years.
Ecojustice continues to lead the legal fight.
Ecojustice claims 95% of its donations come from Canadians. And if the inquiry's goal was to intimidate people, it may have worked the first few months.
At times has looked like a gong show. And as a result of Ecojustice's court case, the threat posed by the inquiry has largely been neutralized.
And we have every right to seek transparency on what's going on.
The hearing continues Friday. In Calgary, Crystal Adaris, City News.